I got this canvas from a well-known arts and crafts shop in the UK. It's their own brand, and I find with most canvases, if you prep well, the make of the cotton canvas doesn't matter. But I like to use these steps to ensure that my canvas has that perfect finish. Using a pair of scissors, I'm cutting all the plastic wrap off the canvas. Take your time and be careful not to cut the canvas itself. Ever find these wooden bits? Well, they are handy. They're called canvas wedges, also known as canvas keys. They are used to tighten up the tension of a canvas, which is vital for canvas prep. They're these gaps where you slot in the canvas wedges / canvas keys, whatever you prefer to call them. I use a hammer to make sure that they're secured in tightly. Next, to help tighten the canvas, I use a spray bottle which is filled with water and lightly coat the back of the canvas and the edges. Using a large flat brush, I make sure the water has coated the canvas properly. The brush helps make sure everything is even. I repeat this step on the front of the canvas too. I've placed my canvas into the bath, as this next step is messy. I've got some white gesso paint. I've not used this in a while, so it might be slightly thick. This is a handy tip. I'm adding some green acrylic paint into the gesso. I like to add colour when prepping a large canvas, as this helps me see where I have placed the paint. I'm mixing this up and adding water as I go along. As the gesso is thick, this will help loosen it up. It's not completely smooth, but it's a good enough consistency, and it will be okay to add to our canvas. I want the canvas to have texture, so I'm using a smaller brush. I always paint the edges of the canvas. I find it makes the overall look neater and professional too. I'm adding some splashes and more texture. This is an effective way to achieve that look. I normally let the base layer dry for about half a day or overnight, and it helps with the tightening of the canvas. Prepping a canvas takes a while, but it's worth using these steps, as it helps with your painting's overall look and quality. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.